years खाइसे ताइपि और ताई लगा किताब तो होइले खाली नागालैंड नहय इउरोप पूरा भरि থাকে दे আমি लगा टाइम प्रॉब्लम दिया আছে
Honorable guest speaker Shri Y.T. Sharma IAS, respected dignitaries, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to stand before you all here today. While I was at home in Sagata, under Zenawati district, when our sir called me and asked me if I could accompany him to attend this very program, and here I am. I'm so grateful to our sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my experience with drugs on this 37th anniversary of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. But going by the flow of this program, and since my speech is primarily intended for the inmates of Operation Salvage Rehabilitation Center, let me switch to Nagamese. Moi aji apnikan la osor khara kobo parabu moi nijor nimte na hoy ishwar nimte ase moi nijor to ishwar pra dia iman sundor kori bana body iman morom or purpose thaki in life dia it is some drugs khai gena dia polish tai pra blessings talent gifts dia the some drugs nimte harai dishe romoi la life ki man alchi like na Murli balone ki koi gana society etum ri aiche satikan moi la ana to ase moi bacha tan moi de bal puri pora likha gar kheti la kam sab puri aiche class 10 devi duita school la namra duita center ekta KVS ekta state pra metric exam de gana duita devi bal puri pass hoise idup chede moi science college koi mare admission leise admission like in a sub-month in a Purishe or co-curricular activities, particularly debate TV, participate Lui IG. Second year PE day, Naga Student Federation Executives can request curricula. Moi second Northeast Youth Cultural Festival. Aizal day, Nagaland represent curriculum debate competition ke participate Purishe. Idu pichere college wapos aikena. PU final exam nimte prepare korise exam dishe or bal kori pass hoise biology chemistry physics de distinction paise moi bacha time prabi moi la in life doctor thakise nimte doctor koro gena MBBS nimte apply korise Government of Nagaland Higher and Technical Education Panpra on the basis of merit hisabra moi ke doctor koro nimte select korise edu pichele moi Andhra Medical College Visakhapatnam South India te enroll korise enroll kora pichele sob mon moko salgena korise or first year bal kori pass korise second year de bi distinction pra pass korise bale third year de moi ekta damor pagla gam korise third year de moi drugs class korise or itu kiniga or kile korise koile it all started with I can give up anytime I want attitude and mindset. Moi kike hoile bi moi rakhu bele rakhu paribo. Secondly, moi la baba amma kanna mankan kun mena jani mo bidna. Eniga monte aikena drugs ka show hoise. Idu bichere age de pari thakse bole 3-4 mahina bichere. Alright, but one more time koi gana drugs kaise and after that just one more time or ek bar koi gana drugs kaise or inika kuri gana drugs khatu ekta habit hoise a habit that lasts for over 20 years and would jeopardize my entire medical career. I then became a drug addict. Drug addict captured my first priority life day. Kinika Korean drugs pai jabu itu hoy jaise dusra ama baba kandam mano family friends relationship friendship education my studies even God social life spiritual life it all became secondary or nil kinika Korean drugs pai jabu or drugs kaigena high hoy jabu itu moi lam ko se jaise drugs kinuman India ama baba hamgebi misa washu ise. So in addition to becoming a drug addict, I became a liar too. Mala baba amadu moi ki man trust kuri na ai na kintu takan la bacha doctor banawo na gorde junior to meet monso hormone thakle bi na khai kana moi ke posa parai kana ise itu paisa loi kana moi drugs kini na khai koi ise drugs khai kana moi la healthy bishi dia hoise bole disrespecting my health ekko care na di kana moi injection bi mara shuru hoise Rome officially ID ho jaise injecting drug user injection mari kana moi la shorir ki man patla hoise dusra man khan pra moi la nam sukama strategy hospital de iman she were admit hoise and the last time when I was admitted in hospital for a major health problem as a consequence of drug addiction was when my left leg became grossly enlarged. Well, by a thing, imam down police injection mari kena. Emergency room ke doctor bra koise wala thinki iman infection hoise kati kena hilai dei babo. What time ke utishe already apni ki kam kori. Moi strong lagi takle bi koise moi MBBS prayer sikhi. To the rector staff nurse pra moi jawab itu uni kena ini ka koise doctor burle drugs khai doctor pra moi la tin to nagati kena ta la team le kena dui bar operation korise including skin grafting for 6 months hospital the boy kena discharge korise discharge habe de moi tik pra chalu na work kena dui sam nishna physiotherapy hoise physiotherapy law time te khandan manu khan pra moi ke loi kena ekta prayer center Henry prayer center loi kena tate loi jaise moi prayer center ta thaka time te ishwar ke nikal bishi ishwar moi tu pra dia iman sundar pra bana body purpose thaki kena life dia blessings talents dia sab drugs pra dia loi kena harai dise kintu aji pra moi logot baha all the bachi kena thakle moi to pani ki use karo itu nimdi moi ke maaf kori dibi or drugs khala ada chori bole takot dibi drugs la habit moi la life per harai dibi ine ka bol ke ishwar ke partner koshi ishwar pra de pra moi ke maaf kori kena moi ke drugs chori bole takot dise yedi pichare moi studies continue nimte grow nimte moi la college te jaise college pra moi la nam hatai kin thakise moi iman college administration ke request korise Andhra University laga vice chancellor ta moron kori kena ekbar chance din koi kena request korise bole bi moi ke chance na dia hoise iman mondok pra gorde opos jai jaise train pra mote kandi kena gorde ja tamte ekta awaz hunise itu sama kota pra hoise anato ino ongna alkha ki kutotso ikema alkha tibale tim katam ni kawa anato moi apni nimte kursi bhal ekta rakhi dis bole mi itu kursi se to dusra mangi boi jaise moi gorde aise kunke bi ko parnai or iman mondu pra boi jaise kunke ki ko kode jabana ki kurbono service bi nai study khan bi nai my keeping my life to be under my life there was filled with lots of regrets, full of sorrow, sadness, anxiety, stress, depression, helplessness, sleeplessness, hopelessness. Inika my time there, Northern Ireland, UK pra ekta ama Maureen Wiley kugena sapna pra moi lanam price. Tai utikena moi lanam Google search korise oro moi ke connect korise. Moi ke contact kori kena tai second chance dia laga ishwar ke introduce korise when the world had given up on me when my college authority couldn't give me a second chance for me to continue and complete my MBBS degree Mama Maureen all the way from Northern Ireland connected with me and introduced me to the God of the second chance and the God of new beginnings tai aji moi la spiritual mother Atma laga ama hoikena ase, and through her husband has become my spiritual father. 2019 day tai khan Nagaland tai share ro wapas jaren de moi ke loikena UK de jai che. Or 2022 day bi or last year 2024 day bi moi 6 months de loikena ai che. Tai vision la moro support pra moi tinta kitab internationally published global parishe ro ajito ishwar la pra moi ekta published author ro moi hoikena ase. Sadikhan Ishwar pra napara itu dunia te or itu life te ekko nai re. There's nothing impossible with God. There's nothing in this world or in this life that God cannot do. And if He can help me give up drug habit, then He can do the same for you. Tai moi nishna ke bi morom kori kena drugs khala adab chori bole takot dise bole tai tui ke bi same takot di bole ase. Itini te tai lo chahi tai lo maaf mangi bi tai lo de jai kan takot mangi bi tai apne la mon duk sab jane se apni la struggle sab jane ase और tai apni ke takot di bole blessings di bole और ras ta dikhai di bole rukhi ase. And this could be the best time for you to go to God. This also could be the best and the last chance for you to make the right decision. Remember, the decision you make today is going to make or break your future tomorrow. Aaj apni decision la do, kali apni la future, kali apni life bana bole ase. Itni te late na korbi. Or ishwar ho jai. Tai apni inte rukhi ase. Apni ke help koribo, apni ke madad dibo inte rukhi ase. Tomorrow may be too late. Lastly, and this is mainly intended for all the inmates of this center. Ishwar laga pavitra atma pra apni itu center te thake humaite apni laga body, mind, heart, soul sab operation koroli di. Or itu center choya dem drugs law chain, alcohol law chain, drugs law slavery, drugs law bondage, drugs law adat itu sab chori kena jaboni di. Itu moi laga shubha ase, itu moi laga partner ase. In conclusion, I would like to share a short Bible verse with you all. Philippians chapter 4 verse 30. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Or as written in another version, I have the power to overcome any situation through Christ who strengthens me. That means I have the power to overcome drug addiction. I have the power to overcome alcoholism. I have the power to overcome any bad habits, any temptation. But only through the power of Jesus Christ. That is only through Jesus Christ who strengthens me. And that's how if I soon can do it, so can you. Jadi moi parishe bole, TV paribo na. I conclude my message here. God bless you all and thank you all very much.